Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today our topic is causes and symptoms of maladjusted person. The causes of maladjustment in school children are manifold. Both individual and the environment are responsible for producing maladjustment of personality. Whenever the needs of the individual are not satisfied, frustration takes place. Frustration produces mental ill health. Mental ill health endangers maladjustment. All the needs of the individual cannot be always satisfied due to unavoidable and unfavorable factors in the environment. Everybody, therefore, meets with misfortunes and innumerable failures during the course of his life. There is individual who has not become maladjusted to a number or less degrees at one time or other in his life. But here we are connected with those forms of maladjustment which becomes chronic and which appear to assume more or less permanent features of the personality of the individual. Now let's discuss the subjective and objective causes of maladjusted. Subjective causes are factors. Subjective causes are factors. Subjective causes reside in the individual and are related to him. In this section, objective causes are discussed which contribute to make the individual maladjusted in spite of favorable environment. Physical deformities, deaf, dumb, and blind children and others processing physical defects and disabilities such as defective eyesight, paralyzed legs, or hands suffer not only from feelings of inferiority but are unable to derive full benefit them from school. They fall victims to frustration and disappointments. Many are unable to earn their living when they grow older. They suffer from timidity and fear and become maladjusted. Sensory defects of farsightedness or short-sightedness may cause of inferiority in the children. Many such children are unable to do schoolwork with ease and efficiency. Frustration is developed and the child becomes maladjusted. Long sickness of child affects the social development and academic achievement. Long sickness of the child affects social development and academic achievement. A child who continuously remains sick cannot fulfill his desires, aspirations, and ambitions. He can neither play games nor take part in social activities of the school. Bodily sickness may cause him pessimistic and he is mentally unhappy. He cannot enjoy life. He becomes a misfit and feels himself ill adjusted. He is naturally left behind in the schoolwork. Level of intelligence. Children with low level of intelligence are left behind in the classwork. They cannot compete with the other class fellows. They naturally suffer from feelings of inferiority when they find that much younger children are able to excel them in the academic work. What they require is some kind of schools. On the other hand, intellectually gifted children become frustrated when their interests and activities are not socially organized by their group. They develop poor habits because of lack of submission, because of lack of stimulation, and thus they are maladjusted. Now, objective cause of maladjusted. Number first, poverty. Poverty. There is positive correlation between poverty and maladjustment in children. Highest percentage of maladjusted children come from low socio-economic conditions, but it is not necessarily true that all children who belong to poor families are maladjusted. Number second, broken homes. All research studies have established beyond doubt that children who come from homes that have been broken by death of parents, divorce, separation, physical or mental handicaps of parents are not often more maladjusted than children from more stable homes. Children in broken homes do not get the affection, love, sympathy, and security. They are emotionally disturbed homes which are not broken but in which there is contact conflict between parents or other members of the family also provide conditions which affect the security, affection, mental stability, and fulfillment of the needs of children. Parental attitude. Attitude of parents towards their children is an important factor. The parents may reject the child. The rejected child develops feeling of insecurity, helplessness, and loneliness. He feels himself neglected. Lack of affection and rejection of the child by parents contributes towards his maladjustment. इसके बाद आता है immoral parents. Children belong to immoral and delinquent parents can't be accepted to develop wholesome, integrated personalities if they live in their homes where there are always quarrels and bickerings between their parents. If they see them in darkened state, they themselves will acquire similar habits and grow into vagabonds. They will become maladjusted. Adoption. Generally, adopted children are maladjusted when they come to know the fact if a child is adopted in early infancy, the problem of adoption is psychologically dealt with then. Adopted children resemble to their foster parents in many ways. In addition to the above factors, there are many other home factors which contribute to the problems of maladjustment, such as presence of stepfather or stepmother, quarrels between parents, emotional and frustrated parents, relationship among brothers and sisters, position of the child in the family. This was all about this causes of maladjusted person. In next topic, we will discuss. The symptoms of maladjusted person.